She's awesome. Hello everyone and welcome back. We're Chesca and Ben and this is Sophia, our self-converted sprinter van. We've recently picked up a furry hitchhiker, our beautiful new pup River, who is taken to van life like a champ. We live full-time in our tiny home on wheels and started off the year exploring southern Europe and chasing that winter sun. COVID-19 cut our travel short and we came back to the UK to wait it out. Would you believe it, we've now spent over 3 months in lockdown. In other words, that's 15 weeks, 105 days, 2,520 hours, 151,200 minutes, 9,072,000 seconds, stuck, not moving, locked down. But now, for the first time in many, many weeks, Sophia finally hit the motorway and we have left our lockdown location. It's time to say goodbye to my mum, goodbye to Bernard, and hello to an uncertain but exciting new chapter of our van life. Subscribe and join us for the ride.
How's it going? You go first.
That wasn't too bad.
High five, high five. Mwah.
So we've had Little River just over a week now. And she's really taken to the van, hasn't she? I think she's gonna very much enjoy being a van dog. She loves the bed, obviously, it's her favourite spot, which is why we've got about 5 different blankets on it. We've gone, how many days is it now? 4 days.
4 days now.
Without any...
No, this is day... Oh no, this is day 4, yeah.
Without any accidents. And we've now had, 3 nights of uninterrupted sleep. She just settles in her crate and will sleep through until 6:30, 7 in the morning, doesn't she? Which is amazing. So
she's doing really well.
She's doing really well. She is biting absolutely everything in sight, which is why we constantly carry all of this variety of chew toys with us. Wherever she goes, they come with you, don't they? So that when you start chewing on my feet, I shove this in her face instead.
In great British fashion, the weather last week, as you saw, was miserable, and this week is an absolute scorcher of a week. Obviously, we can't take River out anywhere yet. A, she's too young, and B, she needs a second in vaccinations. So we're lucky enough that Ches's now has a nice big garden, so we're going to spend most of the week running her around out there, getting her used to
Just being outside.
Just being outside, get used to being outside. We're going to start putting together a Crufts salt. No, I'm not. I'm only joking.
Just wanted to say thank you to everyone who commented on last week's video with all your advice and tips and suggestions and stuff. Some of it's been really, really helpful and useful for us. So thank you, and thank you for all the love for River.
Yeah, thank you very much, guys.
She's thoroughly spoiled in the comments.
See you.
She loves the microphone, don't you? In all fairness, it looks like a chew toy.
It does look like a chew toy, doesn't it?
It's just a gorgeous day today, just to feel the sun on my skin is amazing. If you watched last week, you'd have seen that the first week we had River was just a complete washout, and it was so rainy. Hello, little one. But she's very much still in that puppy phase of going from like 0 to 100 in 2 minutes flat, and then she'll crash out just as quickly, won't you? And then sleep for like 3 hours. But I read that puppies can sleep for 18 to 20 hours a day, because I thought something was up with her. I was like, why is she sleeping so much? Is she okay? And then yeah, 18 to 20 hours a day they can sleep for. Pretty much just like me. Just enjoying a really quick and easy and very healthy lunch. It's basically just chop a load of spinach leaves, put them in a bowl, throw some chickpeas on top, and then put some like pesto pasta in, mix it all up. Bloody lovely. While I'm eating, I'm just eating this book that I bought called Hit the Road, and it's just full of the most beautiful camper vans and tales of travels around the world. The photography is just gorgeous. I mean, look at that. So I had some bunting sat in a bag for absolutely ages, and I finally put it up, and Ben says it looks like someone's hung their dirty knickers.
It looks like they've literally just cut their massive lacy pants into triangles and stuck some rope between it. I didn't pay for it.
I'm not so keen, in all fairness, on the lace triangles, but I do like the white ones. If it was just all white, would you be happy with that?
No, because it would just look like, I suppose, white pants cut up.
Do you like that? She can just get her mouth around it because it's not a whole tennis ball, because it's like broken.
It's quite funny watching her with a whole tennis ball because it's like the size of her face.
Yeah. Watch her, watch where she goes. River's having a mad half hour, as she likes to do in the evening, and there is just no calming her down, so we're going to take her outside for a little run and try and burn off some of her energy as she goes. Oh. Get off. Thank you.
Good girl, that's it.
Go away, stop biting.
Oh.
Wait, I can't pick her up because...
Right, come on.
It's like the Ministry of
Gee, yeah, that came out of nowhere as well.
Can you see why she scares me?
She's just...
Devil dog.
Look.
We know that this like biting and kind of intense play is quite normal for a puppy, but I did just have a little look on the forum just to double check it was normal.
Yeah, we just need a little bit of reassurance.
Just some reassurance from someone, because she literally is like at your ankles and you cannot get her off, and if you try and get her off physically, she's like biting onto your arm, and then you try and pick her up and she's like some like demon dog. And I know that she's only playing and that's how puppies play, but anyway, she is a little bit terrifying. Just been on this and it says, rest assured, 100% normal behaviour, puppy is definitely not being aggressive or anything like that. It is purely play, even though it's a bit painful and confronting for humans. And everyone has said, yep, well, you know, and it's called like the crocodile stage, which is what my mum said she was like today, didn't she? Mum said she was like a little snapping crocodile. And so I said, yep, this is just a croco pup phase. So, yeah. That's what we're going through at the minute. So, from March the 15th to June the what is it?
The 24th.
Our lockdown is about to end. So staying at my mum's little cottage on that noisy road.
So
we've packed in so much to this lockdown. I mean, it feels like it's lasted for months, and Portugal seems like it was forever ago.
Seems like a lifetime ago, but we've done the van renovations.
We lived in the house for ages.
Yeah,
I kind of forget that we
yeah.
did move into the house for a while.
It seems like it's just
got
so
the kitchen
quick.
redone, the cupboards redone, and all of that kind of stuff.
So
and I remember when we came back, it was freezing, and now it's warm again. And
it's absolutely scorching today.
Yeah, it's just.
Yeah. So, but
you're excited to get down.
I'm
to
excited
your family,
to get down and see my family. But first of all, we're going to my mum's. She's not there for the moment, so we're a place for ourselves. We're going to park outside.
Yeah.
While she's away, she's going to do a little bit of work at her house for her and her partner Steve. And then
head down to Plymouth
and see all the family.
Yeah, so exciting times.
Can't wait.
Even though I was saying, even though we're not officially on the road, as in like travelling, we're kind of like
moving
leaving lockdown, and we're not going there permanently, so it feels like we are
back on the road.
Back on the road again, which is awesome.
See this one in tow.
Yeah, we can't go to many places or beaches and stuff because she's not had her second vaccinations yet. Have you? She's still a baby.
So I think the plan is we're going to head down to Devon for a couple of weeks. Then we're going to come back for River's second injections, find out about rabies shots and a pet passport. And then by that point, we will be into July and we will know definitely more about what our plans are going to be. Will it be the UK? Will it be Europe?
It's starting to come together a little bit, isn't it?
We haven't even decided yet, so...
It's not really coming together, is it?
Yeah, it's going to be a spare the moment thing. Yeah. Family first.
Like most things.
You best remember me, little girl.
River absolutely loves my mum, doesn't she? She really loves her. She'll definitely remember you. She'll miss you. Oh, look at her. Let's say bye to Bernard, who's been a very patient big brother to River, if a little emotionally distant, but that's fine. She'll deal with it. You've been a good boy, haven't you? I'm gonna miss you.
Bye, Angel.
It's been good, hasn't
I'll
it?
miss you.
March the 15th we got back.
Yeah.
Was it? Yeah.
Wow.
March. How many months? 3 months?
Yeah, 3 months.
So we've just been having a sing-along in the van and it's come to my attention that Ben can't go ooh, ooh, like
That's
a
not
pie.
proper.
Ooh, ooh.
I can't.
Go on then.
I can't do it. It's like, I don't know how you do it. I literally, my throat can't do it.
Try again.
How do you go first?
Ooh, ooh.
Ooh, ooh.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Ooh, ooh.
It just looked like
Oh, it takes that.
You
That
look like
hurts. That
you're
takes
choking.
effort. It felt like it as well.
You can tell we're back in Devon. Narrow country lanes.
Narrow country lanes. It's green.
Good morning from a sunny Devon. Just look at that.
Really become her own little puppy now. She's become her own little puppy. Of course she's a puppy.
Her own little person.
Her own little person now. So my mum lives in it's not really a village, it's like a little hamlet of, what's about 10 different, 10 little cottages and little houses here. So it's so quiet, it's so peaceful, it's just, yeah, it's really, really nice. But they bought the place to renovate and, hey! So they bought the place to renovate and obviously help out here and there when I can, or when we're back at least.
Look at that for a view.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Oh, it's just so good to be back, isn't it, babe?
Yeah, it is,
so
isn't
good
it?
to be back. Hello. I love you as well. I love you as well. He's a little bit jealous, aren't you? Rightly so. Considering he's not got our undivided
He's not.
attention.
Yeah. Somebody is properly tuckered out. River, sit. River, no. No. Sit.
How's that sit training going, babe?
It's going really well.
Oh, can you hurry up and produce another one, a two-legged version?
Haha. Oh, yeah? I forgot to put them out. Sorry. Forgot to put the guinea pigs out.